In this lesson, we will see how the palettes on the left work. The two palettes that are displayed by default on the left are the Properties palette and the Project Browser. Both are very useful while working in Revit, but that doesn't mean that they have to be in this particular position. If I click on the upper part of either of them, I can drag it to a different position in the drawing area. For example, I will move the Properties palette. This might prove useful if you work with two monitors and you wish to transfer the Properties palette to the second monitor. To restore the palette to its original position, I will click on its name and drag it back to the left. Once a preview of the new position appears in the correct place, I will stop holding down the left click to place it. Now, what happens if you accidentally close one of those palettes? Naturally, you can display them again. Let's see how we can do that. I will click on the close icon of the Properties palette and notice that it no longer appears on. To display the palette again, I will go to the View ribbon and I will expand the User Interface option. On the drop-down that appears, I will select the Properties option. Now the Properties palette is displayed again. In the same way, you can restore any palette you accidentally close. You can also drag one of these two palettes onto the other to make them appear as tabs. For example, I'll select the Properties palette and drag it onto the Project Browser palette. Once the preview for the position appears, I'll stop holding the click. I can easily switch from one to the other by simply clicking on the name of the desired palette. To make them appear as they did in the beginning, I will select the Properties palette and place it in its original position.